Most people using Make.com are wasting through thousands of operations every single day, and they don't even realize it. And if you're using Google Sheets within Make.com, you might actually be burning through way more than you need to. So today I'm going to show you a really cool, really simple trick that lets you bulk add thousands of rows to your Google Sheets using just one operation instead of hundreds or even thousands. So that means less cost, more efficiency, and a way smoother workflow. So let's get into it. So I've actually shown this on one of my other videos explaining how you can scrape multiple thousands of LinkedIn leads for absolutely free and completely autonomously. So I have gone through this before, but I thought I should just go through it with you guys separately so you can properly understand the impact that it can have and exactly how you can do it and use it in different scenarios as well. So for example, here we've got data coming to a webhook, we're parsing it, and then we'd add it to a Google Sheets with what people would normally do as an add a row module. So I'll show you what that looks like if I just run this. So you can see here it's just done 5 scenarios. 5 operations, and also just sent me 5 notifications to tell me that my scrape is finished. So imagine you were doing this on a larger scale. You had, in this example, 625 leads getting passed through, every 6 hours. That's 2,500 a day. 2,500 operations a day stacked up over a week is 17,500 operations a week. I'm not even going to work that out over a month. In fact, I will, and I'll tell you. That's 70,000 operations a month, 70. So we can actually do a simple trick, and let me show you how that works. Instead of the add a row module, we'll put in a make an API call module. Okay. Now, the formula for this is spreadsheets, then the spreadsheet ID of the sheet that you want to append, which is this ID at the top, / values / A to Z. One thing that's important, the only reason I'm putting A to Z is because it's column A to column Z. If you had more columns, you'd put A to AA or to AB and so on. After that, it's another colon and then append. And you want to put it as a post method. Now, go down to the query string, add a parameter, value, input, option, with the value as all capitals, user underscore entered. Okay. Now, in this example, since I'm using an iterator, just auto align that. So in this case, since I'm using an iterator, this is what you'll put in, okay? And I'll give you different use cases afterwards. Values, value, close bracket, close squiggly bracket. Now it's because I'm using an iterator that I put it into these square brackets, because the iterator outputs in an array. Otherwise, you would just put the value in there and it would still append the sheet. So let me show you how this looks now. If I launch this, it will now come into the webhook, parse, aggregate into the text, iterate, and instead of using 5 operations, this will now use 1. So let's have a look, and there you go. Instead of 5, even though I still did 5 profiles, 5 has come through the filter, it's still 1 operation. So you can imagine this will be handy in a lot of different scenarios. This will be handy, 1 for yourself and 2 for your clients. A lot of the times clients want their data somewhere. So to be honest, 7 times out of 10, there's always a Google Sheets module in my client's scenarios. So when I'm selling them an automation, I always find a way to make this bulk add API call, where in one operation, multiple rows can be added to a Google Sheets. So that's that. If you found this useful, drop it a like for me. It really helps. If you want more little hacks on make.com, then hit subscribe because I've got even bigger ones coming soon. And let me know if there's any big automation problems that you're trying to solve. Drop it in the comments and I can try and help you out. I want to start pulling video ideas from the comments. Not because I'm running out, but because I want to be doing things that you guys want to see. All 4 of you. But yeah, that's it for now. Go implement this into your scenarios, and I'll see you in the next one.